Welcome to the virtual training course on Quality Control and Inspection. In today's session, we will focus on Lesson 5, In-Process Quality Checks versus Final Inspections. By the end of this session, you'll clearly understand what in-process quality checks, or IPQC, really mean, what final inspection is all about, why IPQC is more effective than relying only on final inspection, the most common checkpoints for IPQC, how to carry out IPQC step by step, the tools used for in-process checks, the key benefits of IPQC, and how to combine IPQC with final inspection for the best quality results. What are in-process quality checks? These inspections happen in real time while production is still running. The goal is to detect and correct problems early, before they spread through the entire batch. This saves cost, saves time, and avoids mass rework. For example, an inspector spots a faulty folder on a sewing machine causing open seams in just 2 garments. Fixing it immediately avoids 1,000 defective pieces. That's the true power of IPQC. Now, let's talk about final inspection. This inspection is done after garments are fully packed and ready for shipment. It's mainly used to approve or reject an order based on the AQL system. Final inspection checks stitching, measurements, appearance, and packing quality. So, why is IPQC more effective than relying only on final inspection? It's all about timing. IPQC happens during production, while final inspection happens after production is finished. With IPQC, defects are fixed immediately. With final inspection, it's often too late. Early fixes are low cost, while end-of-line rework is expensive. And most importantly, IPQC prevents problems from spreading, while final inspection only detects them. Remember, prevention is always better than detection. Here are the common checkpoints for IPQC. At the cutting table, is the fabric laid straight? Do parts match the marker? On the stitching line, check seam type, stitch count, and thread tension. For trims and attachments, inspect zippers, buttons, and snaps. At the finishing table, look for ironing quality, loose threads, and folding. And finally, at the packing station, verify labels, polybags, and size stickers. How to perform IPQC step by step. Here's how to perform IPQC step by step. 1. Follow the buyer's quality manual or your factory SOP. 2. Inspect random pieces from each batch or every hour. 3. Record any defects by operation or by machine. 4. Report issues immediately to the line supervisor. 5. Stop the production line for critical defects. 6. Follow up to ensure corrections or rework have been done. Tools used for in-process checks. These are the tools commonly used for in-process checks. Operation-specific checklists, tension testers or stitch counters, measuring tapes or gauges, red and green defect tags, hourly quality summary sheets, and a defect mapping board to track problems visually. Benefits of in-process checks. Here are the benefits of in-process checks. They reduce bulk rework, improve operator training and awareness, keep production running smoothly, help maintain consistent quality, and support a first-time right approach to production. Combining IPQC and final inspection, best practice. To get the best results, combine IPQC and final inspection. Think of IPQC as prevention and final inspection as confirmation. A strong quality control system always uses both. Daily meetings between QC and production teams help keep everyone aligned. And here's a practical tip. Use a daily quality dashboard to track defect trends and drive improvements. Summary and what's next. To summarize. In-process checks are critical for preventing mass defects. Final inspections are important, but they shouldn't be the only checkpoint. The best approach is to combine both methods. In our next module, we'll cover handling customer complaints and continuous improvement. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope you are enjoying this training series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next one.